So I just got these new speakers in, which are for the rear of the Suzuki Swift, and I went for the DLS M226, which is a 16.5 centimeter speaker. And let's see what is in the box. So we have a mounting template and owner's manual. And then there's probably 2 boxes of speakers here. And let's have a look. So, first of all, speaker grill. Looks very nice with the logo in there, but I'm probably not going to use these because I'm mounting them behind the door panels. And then the speaker itself. And it's interesting to feel comparing with the OEM speaker. So this looks tidy. Let's have a look at the back side. So there's a considerably larger magnet on the back. These are 50 watts RMS. Reason is that my front composite, which is also DLS, also has 50 watts of RMS, and I want to amplify that at a later stage. So I was just looking for something that fits, 16.5 centimeters. These fit the bill. I wanted them to be DLS because the front is DLS, the amplifier going to be DLS, so I want to keep it a single brand, and it can be a simple speaker actually, because these are for the rear, so it's not super important, but it's just an improvement over the stock ones. And yeah, let's have a comparison to the original ones. These are now 18 years old. Look at this magnet. It's hilarious. Also, these weigh like next to nothing, so I think these are like 6, 7, 8 times heavier than this one, maybe even more. So this should be a nice upgrade. And yeah, that's basically it for this video, I think. Is there interesting stuff in here? Not really. Mounting hardware. This is probably a small gasket. Yeah, probably. But I have my own, so I don't really need that. And here is a little mounting wire, probably. And there's a switch in here, I guess. So yeah, I'm going to install these and see what the difference is. I noticed that DLS isn't really all the hype anymore. When I started buying my first car audio stuff back in early 2K, DLS was everywhere. I really wonder if any of you guys know what happened to the brand. It's I really like it. I think they still make beautiful stuff, especially their amplifiers. I think they're super beautiful to look at. And yeah, but I don't know what happened there. So if you know, let me know. This is it for this video. If you like it, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.